Morning from Brecon Beacons again. We're doing a 6-mile circular up to, I'll put the name on the bottom here, and then back round, all the way around to Talabont Lake, which is in front. But it's warm already. We've gone wrong, so got lost, but we're back on track. So here we go. Whew. This is the problem when you go hiking and you take somebody younger than fitter than you. And there's also, and she's up there somewhere, and you're struggling to get up at the first bit. Oh my goodness. Oh, welcome to today's hike. It's a killer. It is a killer. We are pretty much halfway, I think we are, up to Oakcloud. But oh man, Elena's up there. Sergeant Elena is up there somewhere. She's cracking on. Absolutely blitz me, to be fair to her. Yeah, that is hard going today. For some reason my shoulders are killing. Listen to all the excuses now. Getting absolutely blitzed by Sergeant Elena. Just remember to never take anyone who was in the or in the military or whatever she does. She's a trainer, I think she is for the cadets and everything else. But she's gone. You can see her out there now. So unfair to be fit and young, but fair play to her. It's the first time I actually gone for a hike with someone for a long time, so yeah, I normally go at my own pace, and when I go at my own pace I think I'm going quite quick. No, I'm not. But it's going to be a hard last couple of 100 feet to that first peak, and then we go across the ridge, then across there and across to the other one over there, Pica something or other. I'll put the name on the screen, and then we come back down around and back down to the lake. Yeah, so all good. Let's do this. Let's try and catch her up. Dream on. Right, we're there at the minute. See it on the screen. But yeah, it's quite hard work today, to say the least. But yeah, it's good views though. Really good views. Whew. Yep, good views. Right, we're making our way up the second peak, Carn Pica, which is a Peruvian name as well. See, I've waited for Elena this time because she's so slow going up the first bit, so I thought I'd wait for her. Yeah, right. Right, we'll see you at the top. We've made it to the top of that little peak, and Elena decided to run up the last bit just to put me to shame even more. She's definitely not coming again because I feel embarrassed. But no, Elena, so your first trip to the Brecons.
Love it.
Love it. Best part so far. Peace and quiet. Yeah, definitely clears your mind, that's for sure. So now we make our way across to Pica Carn, and then we come back down, which is we've done all right for time actually, even though at my super slow pace. I think we should do it within 3.5, 4 hours maybe. Might even be quicker than that. But yeah, it's been a good day so far. The weather's been good. Definitely got a bit chillier and windier at the top. But yeah, it's been really, really good. Elena, well done. So we've come down from Carn Pica and we're going to make our way down the pathway now, which is down, you can see all the path down through there, which is cool. We also met possibly the youngest hiker I've ever met. He's 4 years old and he's with his mum, and he did it, and they're doing the loop around the opposite way to where we've done, and incredible. He's 4 years old and he did it without his mum carrying him. Amazing. I should have videoed him really, but there we go. Coming down now. Whew. Weather's still, you can actually feel it getting warmer as we come down the mountain. Up to another couple from Holland, and obviously I've worked in Holland a lot over the years, and I said I should find the Brecon Beacons because obviously Holland is as flat as a pancake, and they said yeah, it's hilly, but they have brought their bikes as well because they're doing a tour around the UK, so that was nice to have a chat with them. But yeah, just had a call from my dad saying I got to take it steady. He doesn't normally say things like that, but since my spine condition, he's always saying to me now, take it easy, which is pretty funny. But yeah, so I reckon we got about another hour to get down, and then we should stop for some food on the way back. And it's good to take somebody else with me on my little hikes. Again, Elena's gone, she's down there somewhere, not even waiting for me, she's disappeared. And then yeah, back to the car, something to eat, and back home. Good day so far. So we've got about half an hour to go now until we're down. We've come back down through the path, and then we make our way down to Taliban, where is it? There. Reservoir and Lake, which is beautiful. Stunning scenery. I'm not sure if we've gone the right way or not.
I see a gate, but
there's a post down there, isn't there? I'll let you go first. So if there's any bears...
Oh. Yeah, I'm okay with that one.
Right, back down to the gate, and then down to... Whoa, steady. Got you on video then.
No.
So we're back on the mic now, just to see what the difference is on the sound. Got the little wind muffler on as well. This is the second time out with the camera, so it's a good test. So hopefully the sound, the setting is right. It's nice and clear. Look at the sunshine, it's just beautiful. Absolute stunning. Down to Taliban Estuary or Lake, I think they call it. You can walk across there, but we're going to walk back to the car that way, or van that way. So we're back down to a farm, and look at it, it's just beautiful. Another great day, another great hike. Knees are hurting though, I gotta say. I think it's some sort of bunker. Has it got any sign on it?
No, but you could go in. It's not healthy.
Ugh. Wow. Well, it goes back as well.
I don't dare to go in.
Pwah. It stinks.
I'd rather no.
It goes back there, but I don't fancy going because it does pong. Interesting. So there's me with a little pot of yoghurt, and there's a full-blown meal from Elena. Look at it. That is proper good hiking food. And there's mine, a little bit of yoghurt. Amateur. Right, that's it, end of the vlog. How many kilometres do you reckon we did? 16? She won't talk on the camera. 16 kilometres, give or take, up and then down. For me, down, my knees are killing. Honestly, coming down, it just rips them apart. Going up is hard. It was hard today. I think Elena bought me a Starbucks and I drank the Starbucks and that was it. I was just buzzing, I think. My stomach was just, yeah, I felt terrible going up. And then I was all right then. It sort of kicked in at the top and I was all right. But yeah, a good day. It was nice and warm. It's sunny sort of down here by the lake now, but I'm going to crack on back to Bristol. And might even stop for a beer. Elena apparently owes me a Madri, so we'll go with that. Free. Until next time. Bye.